When it drives and looks like new, you'll want to treat it.
Hey, Dad, can you open the moonroof?
Sure.
Oh, look at that thing. You know, I used to share a bedroom with 9 siblings and 3 dogs. We used to take turns looking out of one window. I only saw the moon 3 times before my 16th birthday.
That's awful.
It is awful, and it's also not true.
You know what's awful? Make a left at the drugstore.
Thanks, Mom. It's all right here on the head-up display.
My mom used to yell heads up when she spotted a twister coming across the plains. Heads up!
Okay, that's loud, Mom.
Oh, that's how he did it on the plains. We're plains people.
You're from Queens, Mom.
Let's see, oil change, new wiper blade inserts. You're all set?
Great, how much?
It's no cost.
No cost. I am so flattered. But I'm actually married.
No. It's our policy, no cost maintenance.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, it happens all the time.
Really?
Surprising what's hidden inside some SUVs. Introducing the new BMW X3 Sports Activity Vehicle. Built from the ground up for perfect control at the perfect size. BMW.
I'm done with golf. I'm done with this course. I'm sick of this parking lot. I hate my clubs. I don't even know why I wear this stupid visor. These tees are too tall. Same time tomorrow?
Yeah?
Best-in-class cargo space plus best-in-class performance. The all-new BMW.
It's complicated. She's just dropping off my stuff.
Best-in-class cargo space plus best-in-class performance.
M3 Sedan Test 4.2. Weather conditions, sunny. Tarmac temperature, 46.7 degrees Celsius. Wind speeds, 13 to 17 miles per hour. Wind direction, south-southeast. Initiating test sequence. Prepare to start, please. Ready to start? Okay, go. Okay, test completed. Thank you. You can exit the car now. Hey, what are you doing? Can you hear me? The test is complete. Please get out of...